Hello and welcome to another video with focus on joy of jelly printing. In this video, I would like to show you how I have set up my space. I live in a 600 square feet apartment, and that's my living space, office, and art studio. In the past, I used to paint on large canvases and splash with paint, but as I am living in a small space and as I don't exactly have the energy to move large amounts of paint across large canvases, I was looking for another art form. And actually, I started working with alcohol inks, which turned out to be a rather toxic process. Um, and I had to quit doing that. And so I have found jelly printing, and this is exactly what I need because it is spontaneous, intuitive, fast-moving. It requires minimum art materials. As you may know, art materials can quickly drain your bank account. So minimum of materials and minimum of space. So you will see a couple of images where I have, which I have taken while it is an office. So this is it, and this is my office. It's a 7 feet long desk. Next to it, I have storage of my papers. When I print on 8.5 by 11, these prints go into the ring binder, into the plastic sleeves. And if I print on 9 by 12 or 9 by 13, these prints go into portfolios. And all the tissue paper goes into boxes. On the wall, I have a board on which I can attach prints, and these prints are what I'm not completely done with, and they are just sitting there until I know exactly what to do with them. Some of them will need additional layers, some of them will need some highlights, and others need to be simply trimmed. Here you can see how I have set up the recording space. I am using a ring light, which is just above the jelly plate, and to this ring light I can then attach a external web camera, and that's what I'm using for recording. And this is the final image in this video. You can see my workspace set up for jelly printing. I have the jelly plate right underneath the ring light with the webcam. To the right, I have a piece of paper on which I clean my brayers. To the left, I have stack of tissue paper, and of course, I have my stencils within reach, my masks, my stamps, of course, all that paint. And this is all I wanted to share with you today. Bye bye.